Hey, here we are again with another unboxing video from Parts Avatar. Gonna do something a little bit different this time and show the parts installed on my vehicle as well after my mechanic has put them in. Here you can see the box for the two Moog chassis parts. We got sway bar links for both the passenger and for the driver side. These came in 2 days, another incredible shipping speed from the warehouse in Mississauga to just outside of Ottawa. You can see the parts come with all your bushings and hardware and nuts and bolts that are required to swap up the parts, which is great because you can see our Mazda CX-5 2016 here in the garage with the old sway bar links that are quite rusted. The bolts are all used up, so it's great that we get that extra hardware. We were starting to hear some clunking noises, so our mechanic recommended we swap them out with these new ones, which is great. You can see the new ones installed here. They look absolutely phenomenal. No rust at all, obviously. They're brand new parts, but no, they looked good. Mechanic reported no issues at all installing them. They went in super easy, which we're really happy about. Didn't have to return or swap anything out. Thanks again, Parts Avatar. Good looking out. Everyone stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.